Hey guys, welcome back. Cash Ketchum here. Got a real special video for you guys today. A really good friend of mine was nice enough to get me one of these for a commission that I did for him. It's another thing I'll talk about later on in the video, but yeah, I'm really excited to open this guy up today. So yeah, it's not the only thing we're gonna do today. Open up a few of these guys. So yeah, we get right to it, shiny tires. The 36 pack. This is exciting. Let's get right to it, guys. Not bad, right out the first one. That's not bad. Yeah, yeah, it's not bad at all. Yeah, not bad. All right. Next. I'm just gonna do a few packs, and then I'm gonna switch over. Also not bad. Oh man, gonna have to another one of these. Awesome. Wow. Really excited about this. Got a really good feeling this box. Wow. Let's say we open. Let's open another one. Not bad. Not as good as the others, but still. Yeah, apparently someone got a worse card than this somewhere else. Sorry, guys. Anyways, now that that's over with, let's open one of these guys. All right. Not terrible, but not great. Cool. Let's say we open another, shall we? Oh, you're so tough. Stop resisting. Okay. We've seen that one. Also not an awesome, but not the worst. What's that you say? You want to open another one of these? Okay. Twist my arm. Oh, I sense force is strong in this pack. Same. Not bad. Not great. All right, guys. Before I end it tonight, I kind of wanted to talk about what we started with. I told you guys that a good friend of mine commissioned a piece of my work. I have a 3D printer and I print a lot of different items like this, Wobbuffet. Printed this guy out. There's a few other things in camera view right now that you can see that I also printed. Printed this nice little Squirtle Squad. And behind that, I'll bring them into view here in a sec. This is my Mewtwo. I made this guy not that long ago. Just kind of playing around. So if anybody's interested in getting any pieces commissioned, you know, drop a comment. I'll be setting up a PO box and stuff here soon, but I just kind of wanted to let everyone know that, you know, if you got a favorite Pokemon or something that you wanted printed, let me know and I can commission a piece for you. All right, guys, that's about it for the day. Tune in next time for some rear pulls and all sorts of fun Pokemon TCG stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Take care, Shiny Tuners.